Hello friends, welcome back to Information Systems. In this video, I'll be discussing about Internet of Things, an overview of Internet of Things along with its components and protocols. So let's go. Imagine a society where we will have more connected devices than people living on the planet. In the immediate future, year 2025, more than 24.9 billion Internet of Things connections are forecasted compared to estimated human population of 8.1 billion people. The idea of Internet of Things goes back quite some time, where RFID has been a key development towards Internet of Things, and the term Internet of Things has been coined in radio frequency identification context, where we used RFID to track items in various operations such as supply chain management and logistics. The IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a concept of networking things such as objects and people to collect and exchange data. The idea is that real life objects can independently share and process information without humans having anything to do with the data input stage. IoT supports machine to machine communication, enabling devices to communicate with each other to provide faster, accurate, and timely data-driven results. In other words, the IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over the network without any human intervention. Yeah. Top Internet of Things examples to know: connected appliances, smart home security systems, automation in farming equipment, wearable health monitors, smart factory equipment, and so on. Think of something like an IoT system consists of sensors, devices which talk to the cloud through some kind of connectivity. Once the data gets to the cloud, software process it and then might decide to perform an action, such as sending an alert or automatically adjusting the sensors devices without the need for the user. Components of IoT. How does it work? An IoT system comprised of four main components. Number one, sensors enables to collect data from environment surrounding the device, for example, velocity, GPS coordinates, temperature, etc. Number two, connectivity. Successively, the data collected is sent to the cloud through either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. Third, data processing. Once the data is received by the cloud infrastructure, it can then be processed. Example, check if data is received, adhere to requirements. If it is not, alert the user. Last on the list is user interface. Once the data is processed, the results are then given to the user. As a simple workflow example, let's consider a security system in a house. Our IoT device will check if there is any intruders in our house using a computer vision system, sensors, nothing but sensors, right? The video recordings of the house are then sent to the cloud to see if there is any intruders or not using connectivity. Successively, the data is processed in the cloud, which is data processing, and if some intruders are detected, we get alerted, which is through user interface. An IoT system could be able to alert in many different ways, example, phone call, messages, app notifications, and in some cases, we could be able to control remotely the system itself, like lock the house doors. Another example for you to understand better, IoT devices are used to monitor crop field and automate the irrigation system to increase the efficiency and productivity of the overall agriculture processes. For example, soil moisture sensors detect the moisture levels in the soil and then send appropriate data to the actuator. Based on the data, the actuator device will control the flow of water through the valves. Lastly, how can you forget the popular Alexa and Google Home? Isn't it an IoT at your home? Hope it was beneficial to you from a very high level, 30,000 feet above perspective. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video talking about machine learning.